Aubrey. 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 Come over here, honey. Mama's over here. Hi, honey. Aubrey Doodle. You gonna roll over? You got your bear from Uncle Jordan. Did he get you a bear? You love that bear, huh? Yeah, we love that bear. Aubrey. Over here. What are you doing, kid? Look at Mom. No? You don't want to look at Mom? Okay. There's the baby. There's the baby. There's my girl. There's my girl. Alright, I guess no rolling over for you today though, huh? Aubrey. Aubrey. Look at Mom.